So Forrest is out sick today, and I don't think we're going to get too many more people because it's like 6 minutes past. So I think we should go ahead and get started. I'm happy to facilitate. I'm not going to facilitate and take notes. Someone else is going to take notes. Which one of y'all is it going to
I
be?
can take notes.
Excellent. Thank you, Sophie. All right. So let me pull up our agenda. All right. Well, it's obviously no new faces. So let's start with our RFCs. And I'll go ahead and share that screen. I don't think we're going to have much new to talk about here. Starting with the oldest first, decoupling dependencies. I know Forrest has been like working on this. I have not really been keeping on top of it in the last couple of weeks. I don't have any specific updates. Sounds like the last chat on the issue was moving it to Slack. I haven't checked in on the Slack channel recently. Does anyone else have any updates on this RFC? Okay. Next up, multi-arch Buildpacks. I know Jericho's not here. I assume he has not had a chance to sort of round this out with some extra context around builders, and it's still in draft as well. So again, unless there's any updates or questions on this, I'm going to move over to the next RFC. Okay. Lastly, the last outstanding open RFC is this proposal to introduce new GraalVM build packs. I think the Java folks have had some like conversations about this. Is there anything new or anything to talk about here?
Not sure, because last I heard, the latest status on this is that there is hesitation on adding anything, on adding Oracle binaries a part of Paketo Buildpacks, even if it has been done in the past. We already have one Oracle Buildpack. But to be on the safe side, we wanted to get Paketo legal involved. So I asked Ram from the Cloud Foundry Foundation, and he told me he would check with some other people. That was last week, but I discussed that with him, so no news yet. I tried to ping him yesterday. So yeah, this is where it's at.
Okay, cool. Thank you for the update. That's the last of the open RFCs. Hopping back to our agenda, CMB updates and questions. I'm not aware of anything new in the last week or two from the CMB project. Also going to stop sharing my screen at this point. I think the main thing that's coming, from the CMB folks, and it's not new, but it's probably one of the bigger things, is the concept of stack removal. I know Natalie posted a little getting started guide in the CMB Slack for like migrating to a stack removal less ecosystem. I haven't had a chance to check that out, but I intend on doing so, right, as a Stacks maintainer. But more generally, I think this is going to cut across like everyone. It's not just a Stacks problem, right? It's going to cut across Buildpacks and such. So if you're not already aware, please take some time to understand the ramifications of stack removal and how it might impact your sort of corner of the Paketo ecosystem. All right. Sounds like there's no other CMB updates or questions. So that takes us to the Paketo project update. We're like this close to getting ARM64 support on the jammy tiny stack. It's basically there now. We just need to like wrap up a couple of loose ends in terms of like, some sharp edges on the pipeline and stuff. And assuming that that's good, we can roll it out to the rest of the stacks, at least the rest of the Ubuntu-based stacks. They all use the same pipelines. I'm cautiously optimistic it'll just work for all of the stacks. Any other project updates? Okay. And then lastly, open mic time. Any unrelated questions, discussion topics, things on people's minds? Preferably about Paketo, but could be about anything. All right. Then it sounds like we are done for the week. Last call. All right. Catch you all next time.
Bye.
Rob, bye.